Welcome the our channel. Today we how to budget using Money Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Money Manager app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the home screen, where you can find key features like accounts, expenses, and budgets. Tap on the Accounts section to add your bank accounts, credit cards, or cash accounts. Select Add Account and enter the necessary details for each account, including the account name and balance. Next, navigate to the Expenses section to start tracking your spending. Click on Add Expense to enter details about your purchases. Include the amount, category, and date for each expense recorded. Use categories like groceries, entertainment, or utilities to organize your spending. After adding your expenses, proceed to the Budget section. Tap on Create Budget to set limits for each spending category. Decide on a time frame, typically monthly, for your budget. Choose categories you want a budget for and set specific limits based on your financial goals. Utilize the Reports feature to visualize your spending patterns over time. Review your monthly expenditures and see where you can adjust your budget. Set reminders within the app to track your spending regularly. Regularly update your expenses, as doing so will provide more accurate insights. Consider using the Goals feature to set savings targets for future plans. Analyze your results at the end of each month to see how well you stuck to your budget. Make adjustments for the next month based on your spending habits. With consistent use, the Money Manager app will help you gain better control over your finances. Keep exploring different features within the app to maximize your budgeting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.